welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review slash unboxing of the latest Sugarbox edition, and this is the first anniversary edition. I just received this like some time ago, and forgive me if I look weird today. So thanks to the amazing weather, I am down with cold and flu. I may not look sick thanks to the makeup. So this is the first time I have ever subscribed to a Sugarbox. If you guys don't know what Sugarbox is, it's like a monthly subscription. Normally most subscriptions they normally send you just beauty products. This focuses more on lifestyle and gourmet food and stuff like that. So I paid 1500 bucks for this, and definitely they are very much interesting. So I have seen the previous boxes and I kind of like the stuffs that they sent out, so that's why I decided to go for the anniversary edition. The brand is having an anniversary edition, you're going to get a little more products. So I definitely had a lot of expectations from this box. Not to say I was disheartened, but definitely I expected more. No matter, anyways, I'm just gonna start with the unboxing. So let us begin with the packaging. Basically, the Sugarbox comes in an outer packaging like this. Oops, I'm not gonna show you my dress. What if you guys come home? Okay, so then it comes in another plastic covering like this. And yes, it was a little task to remove the box because it's an exact fit for this box, and this box is really heavy. So as you can see, it's like a pink box and it has a tag, and I think this is one of the cutest boxes ever. So these cute bows, I really like it. Okay, so let's get on with our unboxing. I'm not going to talk much like I normally do. Okay, so this is what it looks like from inside. It has like a wrapping. Okay, so the very first thing that I noticed is this card, the info card, and they have written something behind which I haven't read yet, but they are basically celebrating their first anniversary. Yes, so they have a lot of surprises, and every subscriber gets like a surprise gift inside their box. So let's see what I got. Okay, so they also sent me a voucher, and this is the Warren Trichomy Salon voucher. It's a voucher worth 1000 rupees. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited to use it, and that's for the voucher. Okay, so now moving on to the what I got basically. So the very first thing I got is this cap, and this is like this adventurous type of caps, and it has OMG written on it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I know I look crazy right now, but I definitely like this. Oopsie. So I kind of like this cap. It's like having a modern touch to it. So this is the first product. The next product that I see is a cupcake sling bag, and this is really very cute. So if you guys can see, it has like a chain, and it's really pretty. It's really pretty, and this is what it looks like from inside. So it's quite spacious, and I really love this bag. It's very cute. Okay, so moving on to the next product. So the next product that I see is an ice cream soap, and this is by the brand Fuchsia, and this is strawberry popsicle natural handmade soap, and it's 100-gram bar soap. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this smells heavily like strawberries, and it smells really amazing. Hey, I can't wait to try it out. Then the next product that I got is this. So this is the Just Herbs Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Face Pack. So this is a full-size product, and it retails for 375 rupees. So this is a full-size product, and this is my surprise gift. Basically every subscriber gets a surprise gift. You will get earrings or something, some accessories or something, but I got this. I won't be opening it. I could give it to someone. So that was the fourth product. Now moving on to the fifth product. So the fifth product I see are some cute earrings, triangular earrings, and Okay, so it comes packaged in a plastic, and this is what it looks like. So they're kind of very cute but flashy at the same time. I always wanted these triangular earrings, but I prefer them in a metallic shade. So, but no doubt it's really good. So these are like plastic earrings, and I don't know how much they cost because they haven't mentioned anything about the price and stuff like that. So I don't know how much the things cost, but I do know that they were specifically saying that the products are worth 4,000 rupees plus you get a 1,000 rupees voucher. So I am aware of that price that they had mentioned. Then I also got a cute little candy lollipop, and this is what it looks like. So it's like a kite bow design. So this is the 6th product. Okay, so moving on to the 7th product. This is a scarf, and this is a heavily embellished scarf. If you guys can see, it has all this detailing on it. So this is made of 100% wool, and it's amazing for the winter time, and it smells really good. I won't be opening it fully because anyways it will be off the camera, so I won't be opening it fully. And this is what it looks like. So throughout the borders it has all that embellishments on it, and it's pretty cool. The color is a little bit dull. Next product is I got a straw. I think that is for the next product. So the next product that I got is this, and this is something that is similar to a mason jar but is not exactly a mason jar. It's something very different. So according to the box, this is like a bulb jar. It's like when you put your drinks and stuff on it. So it opens up like this, and you can obviously make it stand like this, and this is a glass, so you can put the cover on it. And they also sent me a straw, so you put the straw in this hole right here, and there you go, your fruit juice jar. It's kind of really cute and a unique design. I have never seen this before. I do have many mason jars, but I've never had something that looks like this. So this is a good product. Okay, so moving on to the last product. The last product is a cute t-shirt. And so luckily this is of my size. It's a little bit large, but I don't know how they have allotted the sizes to everyone. But I think because I have never mentioned about my size and stuff like that, so I think they have sent a standard size t-shirt to everyone. But if you're a bit on the fatter side, I don't know if this will fit you because this is a bit loose for me. But it does fit me, and I'm really glad for that. And that's it for the sugar box for this month. Basically I was expecting a little bit more from this, since this is an anniversary edition. I was expecting something which was a little bit matured. I mean, not to say mature, like I was expecting something really great because their previous boxes have been really amazing. I'm not disheartened, but I was having a little more expectation since this is their anniversary edition. But overall this box is pretty great if you want to take a break from the normal beauty boxes that are around there. And I'm glad I did buy this box, but let's see if in the future I would resubscribe to them. So you can try this, and after today I think this box is going to retail for 1900 rupees. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.